Hi, hello friends, welcome to our channel Study of Mathematics. Next, we will discuss problem number 5 in the same solved problems. The problem is if a equal to 1, 2, 2, 2, 1, 2, 2, 2, 1, then show that a square minus 4a minus 5a equal to 0. This is our given problem. In this problem, we have to given the matrix A of order 3 by 3. Then we have to show this equation is equal to 0. Here I means the identity matrix. Here we have A matrix of order 3. Then also we take I matrix of order 3 by 3. For solving this or showing this result, first we consider the given matrix. Solution: given matrix is A equal to 1, 2, 2, 2, 1, 2, 2, 2, 1. And also we know the identity matrix I equal to of order 3 by 3, 1, 0, 0, 0, 1, 0, 0, 0, 1. This is the identity matrix. Here I. Next, for this showing, first we take LHS value. But after showing this, we don't know A square value. First we can find the value of A square. That means A square equal to A into A. That is matrix A into matrix A. A matrix is 1, 2, 2. 2, 1, 2, 2, 2, 1. And the same matrix A, 1, 2, 2, 1, 2, 2, 2, 1. The multiplication procedure is this row and this column multiply. 1 into 1, 1, plus 2 into 2, 4, plus 2 into 2, 4. In the same way. 2 plus 2 plus 4. 2 plus 4 plus 2. 2 plus 2 plus 4. 4 plus 1 plus 4. 4 plus 2 plus 2. 2 plus 4 plus 2. 4 plus 2 plus 2. 4 plus 4 plus 1. After addition, 4 plus 4, 8, 8 plus 1, 9. 9, 8, 8, 8, 9, 8, 8, 8, 9. This is the A square value. This is A square value. Next, we have to take LHS value and then prove RHS. For that, LHS value is LHS equal to A square minus 4A minus 5I. That is equal to A square value matrix is 9, 8, 8, 8, 9, 8, 8, 8, 9 minus 4 into matrix A value 1, 2, 2, 2, 1, 2, 2, 2, 1 minus 5 into I matrix is 1, 0, 0, 0, 1, 0, 0, 0, 1. This is the matrix I. That is equal to same A square matrix written in the same matrix. Multiply this matrix with 4. that is 4 8 8 8 4 8 8 8 4 minus of, multiply this matrix with 5, that is 5 0 0 0 5 0 0 0 5, that is equal to, the subtraction values here, 9 minus 4 minus 5, 8 minus 8 minus 0, 8 minus 8 minus 0, same 8 minus 8 minus 0, 9 minus 4 minus 5, 8 minus 8 minus 0, 8 minus 8 minus 0, 8 minus 8 minus 0, 9 minus 4 minus 5. Here minus 8 plus 8 minus 8 got cancelled. In the same way, 9 minus 4 minus 5, 9 minus 9, 0. Here also 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0. All the elements would be 0. Then that matrix is null matrix denoted by 0. That is equal to RHS of the given statement. Therefore, LHS equal to RHS. That is, therefore, the LHS value is a square minus 4a minus 5i is equal to 0. This is the problem solution. In this problem, we have to given the matrix A, and we already know the identity matrix I. By using that, we have to show the LHS and RHS values are equal. In LHS, the statement is a square minus 4a minus 5i. But a square is not known. For that, first we have find a square value and then substitute all the values in LHS. For that, taking LHS value, equation statement is a square minus 4a minus 5i. Here, after substituting, we multiply this matrix with 4, this matrix with 5. If any matrix is multiplied by a scalar, then that matrix, each elements of the matrix are multiplied with the scalar. By using that condition, we had to multiply these two matrices. After that, subtraction is made. After subtraction, the final value is 0 0 zeros. All elements are 0 in a matrix, then that matrix is called 0 matrix. 0 matrix. 0 matrix is denoted by capital O. That is the solution, RHS, or capital 0. That is LHS equal to RHS. LHS value is a square minus 4a minus 5i. That is equal to 0. From this, we have to solve all the solved problems before the exercise 3b. In next video, we go to exercise 3b. Thanks for watching our video. For more videos, please like, share, subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon.